Alright, kiddos, here we go. We've got a topic 7 test review. We're going to do a review right now. And again, I'm sorry I couldn't be there today. I should be there by the end of class, so I will know if you are not being good. Also, make sure you're being good so I can give you more points towards your next class party. You guys have been really good for the sub so far, so keep it up. And please remember, this is a test review. That means tomorrow's test will look just like it. Alright? You may use a calculator. Please write your name, full name, your calculator number, so that I can grade this easily. And yes, we're in first period. Alright? So I'm going to do a couple problems, and then you're going to do them while our substitute pauses the video, and then you can hit play and I'll go over the other problems. So I'm going to do number 4 right now, and then I want you guys to try the other 3. So we've got a -2 out in front times 6, and that would make -12x. And remember to use your calculator. And -2 times -y is going to be +2y. Okay? So right now we could pause the thing, or maybe I'll do one more, and then you guys could do the other 2. So do this with me. So again, we're going to bottle rocket 6 times -2. That's -12. 6 times -10 is -60x. Okay? So now is a great time to pause the video and let the kids work on numbers 1 and 2. And hopefully you guys did your best. Here's the solution. 5 times 3, 15x. 5 times 4, 20. Number 3, hopefully you've done it. -7 times 2 is -14x. -7 times 4y is -28y. Awesome. First section done, guys. Alright. Let's take a look at the next section. Are these like terms? Yes or no? This shouldn't be too bad. I think you guys know this already. So, why don't you just try them really quick? Pause the video, please, and give these a shot. Okay, 5 and 6. Yes, they're both numbers, so yes, these are like terms. How about 7 and 6x? No, not like terms. How about 4x and -6x? Chess. 5y and 5r? No, we can't add yo-yos with raspberries. Okay? Awesome. Let's try 9 through 10. So again, I'll do one of these. Identify the coefficients. Oh, I think you know this already. You probably know the coefficient is the number in front of the letter. So that's a coefficient. And that's a coefficient. Okay? The number in front of the letter. Will you try number 9? Please pause the video, and thank you so much. Okay, the number in front of x is easy. That's a 6. The number in front of y is not so easy. We have to remember it is the little loved one. Okay, so we got 6 and 1. Alright, you guys are doing wonderful. Keep going. 11 and 12, we're going to identify the constants, also known as the numbers. Pretty doable, and we've talked about this quite a bit, so go ahead. Please pause the video for a few minutes. And here we go. The constants would be 2 and -6. And over here it's going to be 2 and 5. Sweet, you guys are going to ace this quiz tomorrow. Moving right along. Simplify by combining like terms. Okay, guys? So let's do a couple. Let's try some of the harder ones together. So number 18 looks pretty tough. 8x plus 5y minus x plus 6y. So I think I'd like to do the 6y and the 5y first. So 6y and 5y make 11y. Yeah? Okay. And then 8x minus x. 8x minus x would simplify to 7x. Okay? Hey, why don't you try a few and pause the video for a minute, please, and we'll let them work for a few minutes, and then we'll go over a couple more. Alright, let's do 14. 9 kangaroos plus 11 kangaroos, 20 kangaroos, and then we've got the constant -5 or -5 or plus -5, whatever you want. They're all the same. Okay? And let's do another one before we pause it. 3x and 5x is 8x, of course. And one more y plus 3 minus 5. So 3 minus 5 is really what we got to combine. And 3 minus 5, you guys have calculators, would be -2. Or if you would rather write y plus -2, you go right ahead. Okay. It's up to you. You can pause the video and let them struggle. That's a good thing, to struggle. So let's do number 16. We got 4 negative v's and 10 negative v's. It's a lot of negative v's. That is a total of -14 v's. Nice job, guys. Uh, 17 looks tricky. I'm going to use algebra. So there's s -2 and -2s. So now I have a picture. I can just cancel out the positive with the negative. So again, those cancel each other out. And that leaves you with -s -2. -s minus, not 1, but 2. Sweet. 2 more to go. I know you can do this one. 7r plus 1r is 8r. 2 plus 1 is 3. Piece of cake. Okay, last one. I got an 8 and an 8, and I know those are numbers. They're both positive, so that's 16. But now here I got negative 10y and minus 10y. Well, that's a bunch of minus y's, so that's minus 20 y's. Okay? Guys, you are done with your review. And, alright you guys, so what you're going to do for the rest of the time, down below here at the bottom of this paper, you're going to play 24. Okay? We played this the first couple weeks of school, and so let's just review how it works. So I want you to play 24. At the bottom of your paper, you're going to write out all the answers you can get to 24. So here's how it works. Here's how 24 works. We're going to give you 4 numbers: 3, 6, 2, 8, and those are going to have to equal, using those numbers, you're going to try to get as many numbers as you can, 1 through 24. So if you want to write the numbers 1 through 24 all the way around your paper, and every time you get one you just cross it off, that would be awesome. Okay? So 3, 6, 2, and 8. Let's see, what can we do? Let's do one together. So I could do 3 times 6. That's 18 divided by 2 plus 8. Let's see what that gives me. So 18 divided by 2 is 9, plus 8 is 17. So hey, you don't have to do 17 now. Alright? Let's try one more. Okay? If you can get all 24, I have to bring you a treat on Friday. If you can get all 24, I'll bring you a candy bar. Is that a deal? That's a deal. Okay? So let's do one more together. 6 plus 3 plus 8 divided by 2. And let's do this. Let's put parentheses there just so we're sure. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. Done. 22 more to go. You get them, you get the candy bar. Thanks for your work, for your effort. These are the numbers you have to play with, and you have to use all 4 numbers to get the numbers 1 through 24. And we've knocked out 2. Thanks again, you guys, for being so good. See you tomorrow, or hopefully today. Bye-bye.